What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Benji Travis, and today we've got an easy pasta recipe for you guys. It's only got 5 components, super fast if you're on the fly, if you're on the go, and if you like using this pasta recipe coming up. So let's jump right into the ingredients. First component is your meat. I'm using an Italian sausage. You can use ground beef, bacon. If you're vegetarian, just use mushrooms or nothing at all, because the second component is the vegetables. I always use onions. Today we'll be using a bell pepper, but you can use any ingredients for vegetables. A third is your flavor enhancers. Of course, there's nothing better than garlic. So today I'll be using a minced garlic. Fourth is your pasta. Today we're using a spaghetti, but you can use any pasta that you have around the house. Fifth, last but not least, sauce. And that's right, this is in a jar. You can buy whatever you like, whatever flavor. I'm sorry, Grampy, I know you taught me how to make it from scratch. And this is specifically for people that want to create a pasta recipe that's easy and quick. So let's start cooking. All right, you guys, before we get started, I've already got my pasta water going. In fact, the pasta is already in there. Like I said, I'm using a spaghetti. Very important, before you drain your pasta later, make sure you save some of that pasta water, because the starches is what's gonna level this up to something so much more delicious. But my pan, it's on hot. I'll be adding my olive oil first to just oil the pan. Bam! I'm only cooking 2 to 3 servings at a time. It's so important to pan fry your ingredients and your spaghetti, because that's what's gonna help get all the sauces into your pasta. All right, you guys, once the meat is starting to brown, that's when I'm gonna add my onions and the rest of my vegetables. Like I said, don't overcrowd your pan. You're just making 2 to 3 servings. At this point, we're gonna salt and pepper. My ingredients are just about done. The meat's cooked through, the vegetables are nice and soft, but not overdone. This is when I'm gonna add my sauce. At this point, you're just trying to incorporate the sauce into the other ingredients. My pasta sauce is done. It's ready to go. My pasta is also done. I'm just gonna drop this right on in. Remember, it's really important to keep that reserved water, because you're gonna see how I'm gonna incorporate into the dish. My pan is on high heat right now, and I'm gonna just start stirring right away. At this point, I like to add a little bit of my pasta water right in. The pasta water is gonna help to bind all of the different ingredients together. A little bit of olive oil. Woo! It is looking delicious. You can see that the sauce has like almost transformed from its just, you know, normal redness to like almost like creaminess, and that's the starches from the pasta water. So let's go ahead and plate this. Wow, 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 wow. There we go. Put a little bit of cheese on there. You guys, super easy. You can prepare this in about 15 minutes. That includes boiling your pasta. Let's taste it. We love it. It's delicious. Your kids are gonna love it. Super quick and easy pasta recipe. If you guys want to see more recipes for pasta, hit the button right here. If you guys want to see my vlogs where I cook every day, hit the button right here. As always, you guys, keep cooking. Sizzling. It's sizzling.
True chef in the kitchen. Guys, really? Benji does all the stuff.
He's really the
honestly,
one teaching
I'm the one
me.
doing the actual
Because
dish.
because he's Italian.
You
No,
know,
Chris.
it depends what kind of rain you want.
Chris, you really gotta like. I need a lot of salt.
Thunderstorm?
All right, so my pasta.